Hi dear Geminis, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11th till the 21st of December. So let's start. Gemini, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Okay honey. So your partner's current feelings for you right now are, this card jumped for you, but I'm not going to consider it. I'm an asshole. Yeah. So Gemini, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Seven of Cups. It's kind of confusing energy. Okay, either they are like having feelings for more than one person at a time, or they are just literally confused about what they are feeling for you. Like they're having lots of options. Either they are keeping their options open, or either they are feeling like you are one of those people for whom they feel a lot, for whom they feel kind of emotional attachment. It's like you are not the only person in their scenario. I feel like this. And the second thing that I'm getting here is they're literally confused about how they feel about you, about how they feel about this connection. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups as their feelings for you. Let me see. Nowadays I'm very attracted towards snakes and ladders games. I don't know why. It's like called Ludo in India. Nine of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. They're very stressed because of the money thing in their life right now, because of the stability thing right now. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that this person is feeling like they're not getting the stability. Although this person is having lots of options in their life, or they're having, same feeling for more than one person in their life, but they're not getting what they want from this connection, from this confusion. So it's like this person is constantly stressed. They're constantly under pressure, they're constantly stressed, they're like not able to sleep, not able to find the stability that they are wanting from a connection, and they're stuck. This person is literally stuck. Okay, they are, and what I'm getting here is that they're stuck on you. This person is stuck on you. This person is like, although I'm having different options in my life, although I'm having somebody else also in my life, but why the hell am I stuck on this person, on you Gemini? They feel like you bring them stability. You are the one that bring them stability and happiness, and that's why this person is literally stuck about their emotions, about their feelings for you. Let me see what you feel for this person, Gemini. Let's see what you feel for them, your feelings for them. High Priestess, you're silent with this person. You're trying to understand what the actual hell is this person doing, what the actual hell is this person up to. It's like you are trying your best to be silent and analyze each and everything. You want to go deeper inside of you, and you feel like, I just want to understand what the hell they are doing. It's kind of major arcana. You are not doing it just for now. You are doing it from a very long time, Gemini, that I'm getting here. So it's like you are trying your best to understand what the actual hell is this person going or doing. But I think you're also not getting answers. You're like being very silent, very patient. And you know that there's something wrong, or there's something that is not working out, or there's something that they're hiding might be. You know the truth. Still you are keeping silent. Four of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Seven of Cups. Both of you are having Seven of Cups. You're holding back a lot of feelings. You want to have a reconciliation with this person. You want to reconcile with this person. You want to celebrate with this person. But again, you're also keeping your options open, because you're just trying to make this person realize that you have options too in your life, and you can also move on, and you can also give your attention to somebody else as well. It's like or it could also be possible that you're holding back your feelings, true feelings from this person, and you are trying to celebrate with new people, try to get engaged with new people, try to get involved with some other people. You are also keeping your options open. It's like this. The vibes that this spread is giving me here is that you are holding back your true emotions. You are trying to listen to your intuition, but might be just to show this person that you are really happy in your life. You are keeping your options open. You are celebrating with new people. You are trying to go party. You are trying to look good. You are trying to celebrate, but inside of you, it's like hurting a little. Trying to control your feelings for this particular person. Okay. Got it. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Three of Pentacles. Okay, I have to clarify this card. Three of Pentacles have lots of meanings. Okay, what this person wants from you, I feel like this person wants you to work on this connection with them. This person wants you to make them understand what they feel for you, what you feel for them, how this connection is going on, what the actual heck is happening in this connection, because they are literally very confused. This is the Three of Pentacles. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles for you as what they want from you or from this connection. Okay, this person is literally very confused. Let me see. Today's 9th or 10th, I don't know. High Priestess, Five of Pentacles and Five of Wands in reverse. Okay, see, you're anyway in the High Priestess mode, and what this person wants you to do is, what this person wants from you is like, this person wants you to listen to your intuition, go within yourself and understand why the hell is it not working, understand why they walked away, or understand why you walked away from this connection, and just end the fight and the inner conflict. Okay, you guys are having a cold fight with each other, cold war going on between you guys, or you guys are not talking to each other at all, or if you guys are talking, you guys are taunting each other, or blaming each other. It's like this person wants you to listen to your intuition, go within yourself and understand who abandoned whom, who did wrong with whom. Okay, they just want to end this fight, end this conflict. Basically, I feel like this person wants to have open and honest conversation with you. Whatever happened, they want to release this stress, release this energy of fight and all this, and they want to work on the abandonment issues that you guys are facing from a long time. Might be you walk away or they walk away. It's like a game for you guys. It's like a cycle for you guys. You walking away or they walking away. It's like, so they just basically want this cycle to stop, this cycle to end. Let me see what you want from this person, Gemini, or from this connection. Let's see. See, the roles can be reversed anytime. Take it how it resonates with you. Let me clarify this now. What you want from this person is Four of Swords. You want this person to heal from the situation. You want this person to take a break or take a time out between you guys. It's like complete healing. You want this person to completely heal from the situation first, then take the further step. Okay, it's also possible that you want this person to be silent right now and give you the space and give you the time to heal from the situation. This is what I'm getting here. Let me clarify. The Four of Swords is what you want from them. Let's see. Seven of Swords and the Judgment and the Queen of Pentacles. You want the truth. You just want the truth out of this fucking scenario, fucking relationship. It's like you know that this person is hiding something from you, or they are telling you the half truth, or they are not at all telling you anything. You want this person to open up, to tell you exactly what is happening, and you want this person to forgive you and you want forgiveness from this person. You are just waiting for the apology, and after this apology you want to heal. It's also possible that you came to know about the truth about something about this person. You suddenly got to know something about this person, and that completely broke your heart, that completely shattered you, and now you want this person to come to you and ask for forgiveness, tell you the truth, exactly what happened, exactly what is happening right now, and then you want this person to give you space so that you can heal from the situation, or so that you can heal from the pain. In the whole reading, I didn't see a single love feeling from anybody of you. It's like confusion, it's like pain, it's like conflict, it's like battles, it's like truth coming out. It's like whole drama series is happening here. Like, yep. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 21st of December. Let's see what to expect from Gemini's person till 21st of December. Let's see. King of Pentacles. Okay. Very mature conversation, very stable conversation, or it could also be possible that you guys are not talking to each other at all, and suddenly you guys are going to open up to each other. Let me clarify. Clarifying is very important. I'm looking beautiful today. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Sorry. Self-obsessed. Diva. Temperance and the King of Pentacles again, and the Six of Wands. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. So the signs, for first of all, the signs that I'm getting here is lots of pentacles. It's like King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles again, and the Four of Pentacles. It's like lots of pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. It's like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, highly earth energy that I'm getting here. And the second sign that I'm getting here is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so because you guys are going to comment, then where's the signs? So what to expect from this person? This person is going to, you are being very patient with this person, or they're going to come to you very patiently in a very calmer phase of mind. It's like, yeah, let's talk about the future, let's talk about the connection, and let's make it a success. Okay, I can see conversation coming to you from this particular person, or it could be you who is like finally opening you up to them. Finally you are gathering the patience, you are just lowering down your temper, and you're like, yeah, now let's talk on a king to king level. It's because the King of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Pentacles. So it's like both of you are going to be on that maturity level, that like yes, let's talk now. Okay, and you want this connection to make a success, both of you, and especially you. Even if you don't want this connection to be a success, I feel like you want this conversation to be a success with this particular person. Okay, whatever conversation you guys are going to have by 21st, you just want this connection, you just want this conversation to come out to a point where you feel like, yeah, finally something is happening, finally I'm getting the answer. Okay, so let's pull one card for as a guidance for you. Let's see. I have the Angels card with me. Let's take these cards. Give me a second. Yeah, universe, please give me guidance for Gemini. What is the guidance for Gemini till 21st of December? Let's see. The Emperor. Decision, stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. Yes, see, the King of Pentacles is here, and the King of Pentacles and the Emperor are almost similar for me. So yes, there's stability coming in, there is efficiency coming in, you are taking the charge of a situation finally, and you are going to make ambitious plans. Okay, so till 21st you should take ambitious plans, you should take the charge of the situation, and you should bring balance and stability in your life. Okay, this is your challenge, this is your guidance. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much, Geminis, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, this is Anjali. Bye.